Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry if it's a little dark. My big light I just got already went out. Like, it's not staying. Yeah, something's wrong with it. I don't know what's going on. So sorry if it looks a little dark. This is a light I originally used to use, so hopefully it's not too bad. I don't know if there's like shadows or something. I'm so sorry about that. But I wanted to get this open. I did cut off, my address was on the front. So this is the Lip Smacking Nails birthday box. I had joined the group. Sorry, I was doing some unboxing of some stamping stuff here. Sorry. I joined the Lip Smacking Nails about a month and a half ago, and I think I joined a little late. They were selling the birthday boxes, so I think I missed that. Sorry, my dog. Oh my gosh. So I had missed that, but they were doing a giveaway. If we made a nail set for the Lip Smacking Nails, she was going to put us in a giveaway. Well, Linda from Linda's Pretty Press On, she won, but she had already purchased a box. So Alicia told her if she wanted to keep it, or get a refund or donate it to somebody, and guess what? She said she wanted to donate it to me. So thank you so much, Linda. I appreciate it so much. You are just absolutely amazing, super sweet. I appreciate it so much. And also Alicia, thank you so much for sending it to me. I appreciate it so much. I am so excited because there's 3 polishes in here because I've been seeing everybody's unboxings from La Catrina Nails, and I absolutely love that brand. I've been ordering from them quite a bit, so I'm loving their products. So yes, I'm so excited. I'm just gonna get this open. All right, so look at warning: contents are full of sparkle, lip smacking nails. Happy mail has arrived. How cute. And it says, thank you, have a nice day. Super cute. So let me just get this open. I'm gonna open this real quick because I have to go pick up Aaron from volleyball practice in like 20 minutes or a little bit less. Oh, some stickers, look, for like the lip smacking nail. That's super cute. I'm so mad my light, it's usually super bright. I don't know what, it's not like connecting in there right. I don't know, something's going on. Some sparkly little lips. That looks like the, oh, it's the little tattoo. Oh, that's super cute and it's sparkly. All right, so let's take a look. Like I said, thank you so much, ladies. Just this group too is so fun. Absolutely amazing ladies in the Discord group. So much fun. We watched a Harry Potter movie like I had mentioned. Yeah, just a bunch of fun ladies. And then, oh, and gentlemen. We have a few gentlemen too. Yes, the dental bibs. Love these to put down, especially for stamping or even acrylic, because they have like the plastic. They have the plastic on the back, so those are nice. Ooh, high chews. I just actually got a bag today of high chews. There's an Asian store that opened up over by my daughter's school. And yes, I love these. It had mango, pineapple, and kiwi. Ooh, they're so good. So yes, we love these. Thank you. How cute. So let's see what this is. Oops. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, that's pretty. That is super pretty. Look at that, how pretty that is. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I love scrunchies. Yes, gotta have a scrunchie. That's what I wear my hair up all day in the house. Always remember tough times don't last. Tough people do. That is cute. Super cute. Oh, it has the little, yeah. I don't chase, I attract. That's so cool. I love it. All right, and then, oh, this is cute. Yes, the little flashy light with the little lip smacking nails. That's cute. You'll have to put some batteries in that. Cool. I love that for flash curing. You can put a little clear stamper too on there, and then when you encapsulate, you can cure it, you know, when it's pushing it making it flat when you use the glitters. So yeah, that's cool. Ooh, some glitters. Ooh, we have some yellow. It has stars, moons. That is beautiful. Very pretty. And then, oh, these are cute. It's got stars and little lips. Really, really cute. Super cute. And then it looks like we have some little charms. Oh, and the little cloth. Yeah, that's nice too for wiping your little rhinestone, you know, rhinestones off, make them shiny. This is cute. This has little lips. Oh, look at those little lips. How cute. Let me get a little, let's see. Oh, look at the big lip. How cute is that? Oh, that is super cute. So yeah, we have the little lips. I like all different kinds. We got little tiny rhinestone pieces, little kite shape. We got some little gold ones. Super cool. I love it. Very pretty. I'm gonna set this over here. Or you know what, let me put it back because I don't want to spill it. All right. Oh, there's purple ones in there. Cool. I love it. Thank you. This is amazing. And then the polishes. I'm so excited. I love the little crinkly. I am so excited for these polishes because they look gorgeous, and to see them in person. So yes, these were made by La Caterina Nails in collaboration with Lip Smacking Nails. They made three colors here. This one is La Mera Bandita. I think this is a cat eye maybe. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this. It's got like turquoise and like a purple shift, and it's got like little sparkles. Ooh, it is gorgeous. God, I wish my other light would work. This is so annoying because it's so bright. I have to figure out what's going on. And then this one is La Chingona. Yes, I've heard that saying a lot. This is gorgeous. Look at, oh my gosh. This is, can you see like the little sparkle in there? Oh my gosh, absolutely gorgeous. And then this one is Las Más Rifadas. That is so pretty. It looks like it has flakies in it. Ooh, yes. It's got the iridescent, like purpley pink flakes. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh. Yes, I love their polishes. So I'm so happy that I get to add these to my collection. Yes, I cannot wait to swatch them. I'll have to do that though after I get back from picking up Aaron. I'm going to go pick him up, and then I'll have to start dinner, and then I'll come back and we'll swatch these. All right, so I'm back, but I have to do a voiceover because everyone was home and it was kind of loud. So we're gonna do the beautiful, I don't know, I'm just gonna call it like a topper because I think you can top it over different colors and it's gonna be so pretty. And there was a huge little piece in there, so I just wanted to put that on the nail. But they're the little flakies, and oh my gosh, they are just super pretty. And so yes, it's going to be really pretty to put over on the top of other colors. And so yes, I'm sorry, there's like an alarm or somebody's car going off. I hope you can't hear it while I'm talking. And then this is the beautiful cat eye, and I will show it over a black swatch stick. I wish I would have pointed I have a habit of not pointing the swatch stick up towards the camera. I'm kind of doing it down where I can see it, but I will show. It's got like that bluish purple and the background. Yeah, I have a collab coming up at the end of the month, and this is going to be that's going to be a perfect color. I think it'll be fun to do, so definitely going to use that. And then this one is so gorgeous. It's a pink sparkle, like a pinkish, I don't know, like a magenta maybe. Oh, it's just gorgeous. It is so gorgeous. And so yes, I said I wanted to show this over the black, of course.
and it's just so pretty. I absolutely love it. Like I said, I wish I would have pointed it more up towards you guys, but I will show it right now. And then of course I do show them once I swatch them all and then put the top coat. But absolutely gorgeous, and I'm just so appreciative of this. Thank you ladies so much.
All right, so I got them all swatched. So I did just left this one coat, and I did put the top coat. I have the La Catrina top coat. I love this, so this is going to be so pretty to put over different colors, even to add some little flakes, you know, to this one. That'll be pretty. And then, yes, this is the cat eye. Yeah, I did do them on my little swatch rings, but like I said, I wanted to see what they look like, you know, fully on the swatch stick. This is so pretty. Look at that. Over the black and then over the clear. I am going to use this in a set coming up. This is going to be perfect. And then this is the La Chingona. This one is so pretty. Look at that, the sparkle in there. I did do 3 coats on here. Oh, so pretty. Yes, these are absolutely gorgeous. So thank you so much, Alicia and Linda. I appreciate it so much. Linda, thank you so much for gifting your box to me. I appreciate it so much. I absolutely love everything and cannot wait to create some nails. I love these little lips in here because they're tiny. I like that. So thank you so much, ladies. Yes, please check out Alicia and Linda. I'm going to leave everything linked down below. And also, if you want to join the Discord, I will try to leave that too. I'm not very good at with the Discord trying to find the links and stuff. But yes, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye.